Wait, what?
What is up guys, it's me Jen and I'm back with another video. If you guys are new to my channel, hello, welcome. My name is Janet. I make fashion and lifestyle videos, and if you guys are returning, welcome back guys. Thank you so much for coming back. Today's video I'm so excited. You guys know that two pieces have been really in, and I have jumped on the two-piece trend. I'm in love with the whole two-piece suit thing, and I actually saw this picture of Kim Kardashian all over the gram, the Pinterest page, and I was like, you know what, there's this really cute outfit that Kim K wore. This outfit right here, I hope I'm putting it in right now, but yeah, I wanted to recreate that look, and as you guys can tell from the top, I have recreated that look and this hat. So let's just jump straight to the DIY. It's really simple, really easy, really fast, so let's just get to it. So to start off this DIY, all you're gonna need is literally a pair of leggings, some scissors, and needle and thread. So what I'm doing here is I'm gonna be measuring till where I want to cut off my pants, till where I want my shorts to be. So that's what I'm doing. I'm measuring it, and then I am cutting to put a little bit of a mark over there. You guys can use a pen or a crayon thing if you want to, but I was going for the easy way out, scissors it is. Now we're just gonna lay the leggings down on whatever your carpet, whatever surface you're doing it on. I'm just aligning my leggings, both legs together, so that it's not gonna be like one side shorter than the other. That'd be a little bit awkward, don't you think? So that's what I'm doing. I'm just aligning it, making sure it's like absolutely perfect, and then we're going in with the favorite part, the scissors, and we're gonna chop baby. So right now you're all done with the shorts, it's just left the top. So I'm putting these pieces together so you get a rough idea of how it's actually supposed to look like. Basically we're gonna end up with a tube top and a biker shorts. So once you're done with that, you just want to go in, put your leggings next to each other, make sure they align a little bit. So right now I'm just gonna measure the sides of my body, make sure it all looks good, and then I'm gonna cut off the bottom to create the tube top. And then I'm gonna go in with the center piece. I'm gonna cut off the center, make sure it's all straight together, and then I'm gonna turn it inside out and sew it together. This is a little bit confusing when I'm explaining it, but when you guys are watching the video right now, you obviously see what I'm doing, so you kind of get the drift, right? So once you've made sure they're all nice and straight, I'm just gonna go in with needle and thread. And yes, I am sewing with my hands because a girl can't afford a sewing machine, so this is the best I'm gonna get for now. But it's also really simple, really easy, really fast, so I'm just gonna do that. And I'm sewing it multiple layers, like, how do I say this? I'm doing like multiple loops on each stitch, so that it doesn't come off very easily, because if you do just like one loop on each stitch, it will just be like easy to tear. But if you're doing like multiple loops, then it's like you can still like stretch your shirt and it will not tear that easily. So that's exactly what I'm doing. I'm just sewing out both sides, and then you should have this as a completed product. All you have to do is just turn a shirt inside out and then wear it and rock it like the cute two-piece that they are. Guys, I hope you guys learned how to make this two-piece set thing, and you guys can rock the Kim K look. If you like this video, don't forget to give it the usual thumbs up, and if you're feeling extra awesome, don't forget to click the subscribe button below, because I upload my videos every single Mondays and Thursdays. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys so freaking much. Enjoy your New Year's, your 2019. I'll see you guys on Thursday with another video. Bye bye.